Hello, students. Now I am going to explain the question answers of the chapter ranikhets. First question, as you can see, that matching is given over there. Match the words and phrases to show a cause and effect relationship between them. First word is given wind. The correct answer is the trees move back and forth. Second, hail. The correct answer is the lawn takes on a whitish appearance. Third word is haze. Answer is the mountains vanish from view. Fourth, sunset. Correct answer is the snow range is lit up by a fiery orange glow. Last, nightfall. The correct answer is the dark sky is lit up by the stars. Moving to the next question. Amazingly, there was to be found neither a puddle nor a muddy patch. Why did the author expect to find puddles or muddy patches? Answer is the author expected to find puddles or muddy patches because it had rained heavily that day. Why did she not find any puddles? What was so amazing about it? Answer is there were no puddles because the soil was rocky and sandy and and had either dried easily or the water has made its way downhill. The author was amazed to find no puddles because it had rained heavily that day. How did the sky look when the author went for a walk? Answer is when the author went for a walk, he saw that the sky had cleared, the whole mountain range was in view. It was a full 180-degree stretch of snow clad mountains that gleamed and glistened in the last rays of the sun. Moving to the next question. What led to the drastic change? What led to the drastic change that the writer talks about? So we have to choose the correct answer here only. That what is the drastic change? The correct answer is option A. The breaking up of the hedge. This is the drastic change. Suddenly it happens that or the writer. Next question. Which sight left the writer transfixed in awe or refers to wonder? That what is the view that left the writer in wonder? Correct answer is the sight of the star spangled sky at night left the writer transfixed in awe. Next question. And the writer builds many contrasts through the passage. Mention each as contrast presented in the passage. These hints will help you. First question. What happened during the rain? What happened once it stopped? Answer is the water gushing and gurgling down the slope, the trees swaying and the leaves dancing in mid, to the accompaniment of now roaring wind and the orchestral din of the pounding rain on the tin roof of our bungalow. It rained incessantly for a couple of hours and then a sudden calm descended over the hills. Next question. What did the haze do to the surroundings? What happened when it lifted? Answer. The distant mountains could no longer be seen, and neither was the winding pathway at the foot of our hillock visible. Gradually, the haze started disintegrating, and the first glint of sun's ray shimmered over the velvety green mountains, slide while the dark clouds scurried away. Next question. What happened to the surroundings at night? What did the writer see in the sky? Answer is it was the darkest of the dark night. Eerie, pitch black, a creak or a crack made up one jump. But when we looked up, we stood transfixed in awe, looking at the star spangled dark dome above. Never ever had we seen a million brightly lit stars, and at such close quarters. We just had to stand our toes to touch them. Now, one more question is given over there. Personification is the literary technique of describing object in such a way that they seem human. Tick the line that uses this technique. So the correct answer is option A, C, and E. Leaves dancing in mirth. Night gradually let down her curtains, and the last one is Lady Cloud catching our face, neck, and hands. For what does the writer express gratitude at the end of the passage? So the answer, we can say that writer expressed the gratitude for the sky, because the sky was so beautiful. So at the end of the chapter, the writer said that thank you. The only word that she whispered is thank you. This is the explanation of question answers. Thank you, everyone.